Hi, this is Giridhar Maurya. I am MBA graduate and this is my Trainity dashboard from where I am doing the internship. So today I am going to present the reports on the IMDb movie analysis. So this project aims to analyze and identify the key factors that influence the success of movies on the IMDb. I have done the analysis on the IMDb movie dataset, and this dataset includes a variety of information about the movies such as their ratings, genre, directors, budget, runtime and more. This analysis will involve exploring various attributes of movies such as genre, director, budget, release date, runtimes and others to determine their impact on IMDb ratings. So first of all, I have downloaded the dataset from the portal and then I have handled the missing values. After that, I have done the explanatory data analysis and calculate the statistics such as mean, standard deviation, variance and mode. And after that, I have documented the entire analysis and then created the visual representation in the PowerPoint to effectively communicate the results to stakeholders. Take a stake, I have used the Microsoft Excel 2019 for the exploratory data analysis and making charts and graphs, and Microsoft PowerPoint for the presentation. Google Chrome I have used for the data download. So I have received the data, raw data from the portal. This is the raw data I have received. So first of all, I have done the cleaning part. So this is the data after the cleaning. So in the cleaning part, I have arranged the data and inserted into table, then converted to the normal range. After that, I have removed the columns which is not required in this task given for the analysis. So these are the data these are the columns fields which is removed. After that, I have removed the blanks by selecting all and then go to the special and select the blanks, then delete the blank from the data set. After that, I have removed the duplicate data from the data set. Total 45 duplicates I have found and deleted. And after all the process, I have got the clean data set of 3849 rows and 20 columns. So this is the data that I received after the complete cleaning. Yeah, 3849. And also I have ensured the data validations, removed these types of characters. After the data cleaning part, I have started the task A. In task A, I have to analyze the distribution of movie genres and their impact on the movie IMDb scores. Okay, so what I have done, I have calculated the unique genre and then counted the movie titles as per the genres. And then I have find out the mean, max, minimum, variance, standard deviation, median and mode of each genre individually. So we can see that the comedy movie count is maximum, and maximum average of IMDb score is 7.15 for the genre biography, and lowest like genre is thriller, having the average IMDb rating 5.3. Okay, so also we can see that western genre are the more heterogeneous due to the high variance 5.9. This is the western genre 5.9, and also it have the high standard deviation of 2.4, whereas music and romance genre are more homogeneous with low variance. We can see that the as per data, highest average IMDb score is 7.15 for the biography genres, and the lowest average IMDb score belongs to the 5.3 for the thriller genre. So this is the task A, where I have done the analysis. I have taken this column, this column, this column from the clean data, and we have performed the analysis. We have used these formulas. I have calculated the standard deviation, median and the mode through the formula, and the rest of the statistics is calculated through the pivot table. Okay, so this is the task B, In the task B, I have to analyze the distribution of movie duration and its impact on the IMDb score. So in this task, I have calculated the mean, median, and a standard deviation, and I have also plotted the graph of movie duration and IMDb score. So in this project, in this task, we can see that the trend line is going upward, which shows that the IMDb score and movie duration having the positive relationship. The mean for the movie duration is 109.9, median for the movie duration is 106, and the standard deviation for the movie duration is 22.75. And we can see that mean and median are close to each other. Mean and median are approx close to each other, and the standard deviation is not too large. It means duration of movie data is normally distributed. We can also see that the highest IMDb rating is 9.3, and we can also see that duration between the 52 to approx 155 minutes having the more density of movies, and the highest belong to the 142 minutes, which have the highest IMDb score is 9.3. We can see in here in the task C that we have to examine the distribution of movie based on their languages. So what I have done, I have taken these columns and these columns from the clean data. We have find out the unique languages, and then we have counted the total movie count as per the languages, calculated the average, median, and standard deviation. We can see that the English language is dominating comparing to the all the languages, which having movie is 3668, and its average is 6.42, median is 6.5, and standard deviation is 1.05. We have also used the formula for these things, and we can see that formula I have used here. So what I have done that total, I can see that there is high difference between the English movie count and the other language movie count. So consider the movie having count is greater than 10, sorry. So as from the chart, English is most common language for the movie, and German and Japanese language movie having the highest mean, which is 7.69, 7.63, and the highest median 7.7, 7.8. And we can see that Hindi movie language having the highest standard deviation 1.11, and mean is 6.76, and median is 7.05. And we can see that Hindi movie comes under the top 10, which have the standard deviation 1.11. So let's go to the other task. In the task D, we have to calculate the influence of director on movie ratings. So formula, I have used the percentile formula and county formula. Here I have calculated the 90th percentile for each director by percentile formula. This is the 90th percentile. After the calculating the 90th percentile, we got the percentile is 7.5. So 7.5 refers to the 90% of the average IMDb score, and when we have counted, then total 187 directors whose IMDb score is greater and equal to the 7.5. So we can say that there are total 187 unique directors listed whose 90th percentile is greater, and this director can be considered as the top director. In the chart, Charles Chaplin having the highest average IMDb score of 8.6, and 90th percentile is 8.5, followed by the Majid Manjidi. We can also see that in this data, S.S. Rajamouli, he is the Indian director having the 90th percentile 8.40, and he also comes within the top 10. Okay, so our next task is explore the relationship between movie budget and their financial and success. Formula I will the correlation, max and sub. So after using the formula, we found the correlation coefficient is 0.10. Maximum is this number. So how I have calculated the profit margin? So we have calculated the profit margin by doing the sum between gross and budget. We have we have done the differentiation between gross and budget and found the profit margin. So after getting these all things, after arranging it in ascending descending order, we found that Avatar movie having the highest profit margin. And correlation is very far from the value 1, which means this is the weak relation of gross earning with budget. And Avatar movie having the highest profit margin, followed by the Jurassic World. So after all that, we found the result like certain genres such as drama, thriller and biography tends to receive the higher ratings compared to genres like comedy and horror. And also we can see that movie directed by well-known directors and featuring popular actors generally receive the high ratings. And also there is moderate positive correlation between a movie's budget and its IMDb ratings. So it tends to have better ratings, likely due to have better production quality and marketing effort. We can also see that between 90 to 120 minutes tend to perform better in terms of ratings. Also it depends upon the holiday season, like on the holiday season and major film festivals often higher ratings due to increased visibility and marketing. Also we can see that movie that have the receive award or nominations tends to be higher IMDb ratings. So overall, this project successfully identified and quantified the key factors that influence the success of movies on IMDb, and the finding from this analysis have the potential to guide future movie production and marketing strategies, leading to more successful movie projects in this industry. Thank you so much.